May each moment of each hour of each day of your life be a picture of love to all the world. And in Jesus, may you grow, may you trust Him, may you know of His love, that His love may know you. And when soon He shall come, may we all join as one, and the love that we share in His glory, this